upcoming video editors, if you want to learn video editing, premium cutting and joining, consult Amanda. She will teach you.
Your mom is here.
Hey, Mom.
Man of God, I greet you. How is ministry?
Fine, but there is something very important I need to discuss with you.
What exactly is the matter?
I disciplined a student in class today, and unknown to me, he's the son of a notorious herbalist. I'm scared of what the herbalist will do to me.
Femi, why are you scared of a herbalist? Are you not an evangelist? A fellowship president?
I am.
Then why are you scared? A man of God like you should be looking for battle to fight, territories to conquer, and power to subdue. Have you forgotten Elijah? How he called down fire on the prophets of Baal, and they were all looking like morons? Why do you think we named you Elijah? What are you doing with all the fire and anointing inside you?
Mommy, let him talk, please.
What's going on with Femi's mom? Excuse me, ma, do you really desire the well-being of your son? Do you really care about what's really going on in his life? Or you just want to stay in that your mental comfort zone? Do you know that argument that they had, it was the devil that brought it to distract them from Femi? They fell for it. Why are you so insistent on believing that your son is a man of God? Can't you see the signs? It is obvious. I just don't know what will end up happening to Femi.
Son, why are you scared?
Femi, why are you scared?
Ọba Fẹ́mi lórúkọ rẹ̀, ọba Fẹ́mi. Ta ló yún?
Ọba Fẹ́mi.
Fẹ́mi, ó fọ́ fọ́ọ̀mù ọmọ mi ọkùnrin, ó tún fọ́ọ̀mù mi obìnrin lóyún. Ẹgbẹ́!
Go and watch Kopa's watch.
Kopa Fẹ́mi.